Hi there, it's On with Creaform, and in this feature video, you are going to learn how to merge separate scans together in Vxmodel. So let's begin by looking at our scan data. Here we have a really cool Mako shark head. And yes, this is real. It was scanned in two different positions. The first one was scanned at 1mm resolution. The second one was scanned at 0.5mm resolution, with a lot more details on the teeth area. The first thing we're going to do here is to perform a surface best fit alignment. Under the align section of the toolbar, we want to click on the best fit icon. And our mobile is going to be the second scan. The fix will be the first one, meaning the second scan will move and align itself to the first scan. So I will be using the automatic pre-alignment mode, but you can also use the manual pre-alignment mode for picking point pairs. Once the alignment has been done, I can click on OK for confirmation. So here would be the second scan and the first overlaid on top of each other. The last thing to do here is click on the merge icon. We want to check the box for the first and second scan. And in this case, I will be changing the priority level of the second scan to high, meaning we're going to keep more of the high resolution scan where it matters. We don't want texture for this, and we can click on OK. So that is our merge scan. Let's double check the resolution. When we zoom in, you can see that this is 0.5mm resolution, and this is the 1mm resolution. So merging in Vxmodel allows you to keep the native resolution of each scan, meaning you can scan a very large part at a low resolution and then merge in the high resolution scan for finer details. This will save you time and resources in the designing process. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please remember to like and subscribe for future videos.